Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the diesel fuel filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. In order to change the diesel filter, you will need to lift the rear of your vehicle. Lift the rear of your vehicle. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, racing the vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You can now see the plastic cover of the diesel fuel filter in front of the left rear wheel. Unscrew the 4 retaining screws using a multi-bit screwdriver, a T25 Torx bit and a 10mm socket. Then remove the plastic protection. You will then be able to see the diesel filter. You must now drain the filter. Take a liquid collector for the diesel that will flow out of the filter. You can learn how to make one by watching another of our videos, how to make a collector for liquids. You can then unscrew the draining screw on the filter to remove the oil present in the filter box. To do this, take a 14mm spanner. Finish unscrewing by hand.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Screw the screw back in. Take a socket wrench and a 19mm Allen socket. Loosen the oil filter by turning the wrench anti-clockwise until it begins to turn easily. Finish unscrewing by hand. As soon as it starts coming out, point it upwards to avoid spilling diesel. Remove the O-ring on the filter box. You can use a screwdriver to help you. Separate the filter cartridge from the flange, levering it off with a flathead screwdriver. Clean the filter flange using brake cleaner fluid and paper towels. Take the first O-ring and install it on the filter. Make sure you lightly oil the filter seal. Insert the new filter into the flange until you hear the click that says it has been locked into place. Take the second O-ring. Install it on the filter housing. Make sure you lightly oil the filter seal. Put the flange back in place and screw it in by hand. For the tightening, take your socket wrench and the 19mm Allen socket. Put the plastic protection back in. Then screw the 4 screws back on. You can then rest your vehicle on the ground. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.